I got some pussy willow branches that unintentionally rooted. Will pussy willow perform well here, or should I just throw them away? This is Allison from Baton Rouge, Louisiana. So how about that? Baton Rouge, right?
Yes.
Which is zone 8B to 9A. I actually lived there for 4 years.
Oh, wow.
So I know the zone there. So can you effectively grow the pussy willow trees?
Pussy willows really only are for zones 4 to 8. So she's just barely below where they really do well. This is the reason. It's not that the plant won't grow. She can plant it and let it grow. The problem is pussy willows need a cold spell to be able to produce the blooms.
Right.
So she might just have a beautiful plant, but she won't get any blooms or any of the fuzzy pussy willows that she desires, is what she's looking for.
Oh, man.
But yeah, it's just too warm there. They need a cooler environment to bloom.
But we're still telling Allison to give it a shot, right?
Yeah, I mean, if you've gone ahead and rooted it, let's put it in the ground and see what it does.
Yeah, nice picture. You can see the roots, there in
very
the
nice.
little cup. So I would go ahead and give it a shot.
Yeah.
But yeah, just know that zone 4 to A, you're 8B to 9A. But yeah, give it a shot, Allison. Yeah. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.